Hello everyone, my name is Bonnie Wolf-Moss, and this is my screencast presentation of my instructional design project. My project will be to instruct my coworkers on a Baker & Taylor 360 grid ordering system, which is a librarian vendor that specializes in books and AV materials, and we do the San Luis Obispo Library, we do a majority of our ordering through them. So it is an actual thing that I'm actually teaching to my coworkers, and it presented an opportunity, and I decided to turn it into schoolwork. As far as the design instruction goes, as you can see on this screen, the ordering system is going to be taught via face-to-face, so I will be able to select groups as needed and walk them through in person, and I'll be able to make printed handouts so that they can take notes on what they're learning as they're learning it for their own personal reference later. And then I will be doing a screencast of the things that we have gone over together so that they can reference it at a later time. That screencast will be hopefully put up on our intranet, which is a server that all of our library computers have access to, so they'll be able to use it from anywhere within the library system. Let's see. To give you an idea about what this is exactly, this is the TitleSource 360 Baker & Taylor website, and the grid system is a tool that Baker & Taylor uses so that the TitleSource 360 program can talk directly to your ILS and the computer systems that you use within the library to catalog material. The grid system lets you have a little bit finer control over that so that you have to do less work in data entry. The grid system was just introduced over this previous summer, and it took a while to set up, but we do have a little bit of ordering going through with the grid system. Everything that I know so far is based on my own training that I received from Baker & Taylor and my own messing around with things. But generally speaking, within Baker & Taylor 360, you're going to create carts, and those carts get ordered. And when you order the carts, you also get the option to download information. In our case, we use MARC Records. For example, I'm going to click on a random cart. The grid system that we're able to use shows up on the bottom of each title in every cart. In order to see each grid, use this Expand Grid button. At the bottom of the title, this blue section appears, and this blue section is called the grid system, and it is what lets you physically populate information in Baker & Taylor so that it transfers over when you download those MARC Records. In this case, you're choosing agency code, which in our case is a branch. You can choose a fund code, and you can choose a collection code. So what that means on the back end of it is that when I download those MARC Records into Polaris, I no longer have to select branches, fund codes, and collection codes individually. I can use the default that they select here. As selectors learn to use this, they will be able to populate this so that when ordering, it removes that step completely from the Polaris side. This is going to really save on time and efficiency on both the selector side and my side, which is the acquisitions cataloging side. So I'm really excited about this, and hopefully the training will go very well. That was my summary and my introduction. I hope it made sense.